We have all our mesh cut. Super easy. Again, this is a really easy way to make a wreath. So I'm going to show you the easiest technique for folding the mesh and getting it on the frame. I've got a take here I want to get off. So I'm going to go back to having a weight, which is really just an old bow maker that's smaller. So unroll your mesh all the way, right? And then what you're going to do, you've seen me do this maybe before, but you're going to overlap the two cut ends. See that? And then push that seam down to just the middle of the section. Flip it over. Put your weight right across the seam. The reason is otherwise it's going to move. And then just gather the mesh up the middle. And it should look like this. And then once you have it gathered, the only thing you need to do is just open up your ties so they're vertical and put this in, that center part that we have, put it in there. Easy peasy, just kind of push it down a little bit. Twist over your ties maybe 2 times. Now, we're not putting, in this particular wreath, we're not putting any ribbon tails around the outside or around the ties. So go ahead and wrap the end of these ties around the metal frame, and that'll keep your ribbon bundle or your mesh bundles really secure, and they'll just stay really nice for a long time. See that? And then if you can see, I just wrapped it around the frame. Oh, we'll do one more. So we're gonna open up the mesh all the way, find the 2 cut ends, overlap them. About that much is fine. So it's like 2 inches. If you can overlap at 2 inches, it's perfect. Don't get too stressed about that though. Push it down. You want it right in the center. Flip that over so the seam is now on the bottom, on the mat, and then weight it. Put your cell phone here if you need to, it's all good. And then gather up the middle. This case, we happen to have a middle stripe, so that makes my job a lot easier, but otherwise, if you don't have a middle stripe that's so obvious like that, just envision the middle. It'll be fine, and then you kind of have like a little bow tie. So we're gonna put that one in right next to it. See that? And just kind of push down, twist over like 2 times, push those ties down, and now just wrap around the metal frame. This could not be easier. I know you all can do this. So you can take this sort of recipe or sort of blueprint, I guess, for this wreath, and you can do any combination of colors and signs. Once you master this, you can do all kinds of wreaths. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of ruffled. So I'm gonna speed up, get this part done, and then I'll come back. We're actually gonna be done really fast.
A pretty face, good mood, no rush, no stress. She be moving real smooth, whole vibe, whole glow, and she got that look too. Don't ask who did it like that. Baby, look, she did that. She did that. Yeah, she really did that. Came in with the glow, and the whole room felt that. She did that. Yeah, she really did that.
Okay, we got this done. See, isn't that pretty? So this is the just very basic but beautiful, see how pretty that is, method that you can do. I think it took me about 15 minutes to do that, and it probably took me less than 10 to cut everything. So far we probably have 25 minutes invested in this, not too bad.